Evaluating and governing a generative AI application, especially those powered by the large language model and agent, it essential for the ensuring quality, safety, compliance, and trustworthiness. Framework for evaluation and governance of the Gen AI system, especially in enterprise and regulated environment, like those supported by the Databricks, Azure, AWS, open framework like LangChain, Despy, and has licensing a database is a critical step to ensuring you are sharing and distributing data legally, ethically, and transparently, especially for the machine learning and Gen AI applications. Reason legal protection. Legal protection means you prevent to misuse ethical AI. Ethical AI means clarify if data contains PII, sensitive or consent-based data. Model transparency that help the document data provenance of the audit or compliance. Open sharing. It enables the safe and reused by others. Commercial use. Many open database prohibited commercial uses unless explicitly licensed. AI security is rapidly evolving area with many important challenges. Here is the one overview of the key security challenge, especially for the large language model and GenAI system. Adversarial attack. One is the adversarial attack. What is the meaning of this one? Meaning is malicious input crafted to fool AI model into the wrong mode. Slightly altered image that cause the misclassification and input that trigger harmful or biased response in animal. Risk the risk is to undermine model reliability and their trust. Data poisoning. What is data poisoning? Data poisoning injecting bad or misleading data into the training impact that cause the model to learn wrong pattern or bias, reducing accuracy and fairness. Vector. Poisoned public dataset data injection in online learning. Third is the model extraction and theft. What it is? Model extraction is the attack, replicate, or steal the model by the acquiring it extensively. Consequences. Intellectual property loses, exposing pro-property technology. Mitigation. Rate limiting, query monitoring, and watermark. Fourth is the model inversion and privacy leakage. So, model inversion and privacy leakage is extracting sensitive training data from the model of. Fifth one is the prompt injection and jailbreaking. What is the prompt injection? Malicious input by pass safety and filter cause harmful output. Sixth one is the misuse or abuse. Use of AI system for generating fake news, publishing disinformation, deepfakes. Seven is the supply chain vulnerabilities. Using compromised pre-trained model dataset and third-party tools. And eight one is the robustness and reliability, ensuring AI behaves consistent under the unaccepted input and filters. So these are the things. These are the our complete eight AI securities which where we have to allow challenges. Challenges are the adversarial attack, adversarial training and detection, data poisoning, data validation, mitigation approach. Means we have a challenges and how we can mitigate that approach. So adversarial attack, adversarial training and detection, data poisoning, data validation. We can validate the data and so we can prevent from data poisoning. Model extraction, query limits, watermarking, API security by which we can model extraction. We can save from there. Privacy leakage, differential privacy, and federation learning. By this, we can prevent it. Prompt injection, input sanitization, layered filter, and directing. Misuse, used policy and monitoring. Supply chain, vetting model, and reproducible pipeline. Robustness, extensive testing, and fallback mechanism.